coming back. So we've seen what subscribe does. You can subscribe to a particular dashboard as per your convenience. That is like a pull mechanism. A better way of push mechanism would be you clicking on a dashboard tile and you say bell icon says manage alerts. You can have an alert rule saying when this condition goes above a particular value or goes below a particular value, you should share maximum notification frequency. How many do you want in an hour or in a day? You can say at most once in an hour or at most as many in a day. So once in an hour is a good frequency. If it goes below probably 10, I would like to have an alert sent to me, right? So this is kind of an alert which appears in this notification as well as in my mailbox. So this alert is like a push mechanism. The other subscription was a pull mechanism of getting the content delivered to your mailbox.